This one's called Scrappy Hearts Banner. Actually, this is a better view of that. And it looks super easy, guys. I'm going to put this together right now. I just opened the RebsFabStash box. I've got all these fun projects and a fat quarter and a recipe card and some buttons. And now I'm going to make one of the projects. First thing it says is to take your template and cut out your hearts off of here. Okay, so these are the fabrics. You have 2 of each color. It says to put them wrong sides together. All right, so these are actually going to be raw edge hearts. So we're just going to sew around the heart and leave a 1/4 inch so that it can fray. You can use a pinking shear or something like that to kind of change the edge the look of the edge. So we can do it however we want. I think this would be cute as my center, although I can get more than one. I'm missing a heart. I just checked the floor. It's not on the floor. Oh, it is on the floor. Okay, so
is that because of inside wind?
Yes. Yes, it is inside wind. I'm dropping things all the time, and I try to take blame for it, but you know what? It's not my fault. It's the inside wind because I have the fan blowing. And you'll know that reference if you watched one of my videos with my granddaughter at the very end. I can't even tell you which one it was, but it was within the last week or so. She loves the inside wind. It's just made me laugh. So my husband thinks it's the inside wind's fault that I'm not all thumbs. Isn't that sweet of him? I don't know if this is going to work. I'm just going to use a rotary cutter, but I think, oh, look at this. This should work very well for this. I think I'm going to use regular scissors, fabric scissors this time, leaving the extra amount. I guess it's up to you what you want to do. If you want to cut right on the heart and sew in a little bit, or do what I'm doing where I'm assuming the heart will be my sew line. The instructions say to sew around, I don't even need this anymore, but to sew around leaving a 1/4 inch. And then if you want, you can take pinking shears and kind of fix the edges a little bit, or you can leave them totally raw like this. So I've got 1, 2, 3, plus this one, plus these 2. Okay, so it suggests that we leave it as a raw edge, but we need to leave an opening. I'm going to show you on the bigger one. They actually draw little marks telling you to leave that open as you're doing it, because you need to thread your ribbon through it. I am going to go one step further, and I'm going to sew my ribbon into it as I'm going around. So I'm going to actually find the placement on the ribbon where I want them to go, and I just just made a knot. And then pin it on there, and then as I'm stitching around it, it's going to be part of it. So first let me see what order I want this to be in. This will be the middle, and then these two, and then these two. And I made an extra heart that I don't think I want to use. So here's my ribbon. There's a lot of it, but it's so you can hang it up like a stringer. So I'm going to find the center, which is right here. Give it a little crease to kind of make it so I can find it. And then I'm going to pin it on the inside of my heart at the fattest part of it. Does that make sense? And I'm not going to pin it on the inside because when I enclose it, I will not be able to get my pin out. So I'm going to do it like this. Actually, some glue would be really good right now, but I am gonna put a pin through that. Okay, and then how do I want the others? Let's go to the machine, do a straight stitch around this. I have white thread in my machine. I'm just going to leave it. A pink thread might be cute. Let's see. I think I'll stick with white. Be cute. How cute that is. I am done with this. Isn't that cute? I've got it hanging up. Let's look at it up close. So use raw edges. I sewed my ribbon in it, and then I went around pinking shears. You just have to be really careful when you get to the part where the ribbon is and just do one side at a time. And center it on your ribbon and hang it. And there we have our little heart banner. All right, that's it. Thanks. Have a great day.